Hi my dear friends, today in this video I will give you some best prediction for Omillionaire lottery. The next drawing on 4th August 2022. I will show here two things, the number came most and number 2 is the number not came yet in the Omillionaire's total draws. The total draws are almost 10. First we will discuss about came most. Friends, number 1 is most repeated number 19. Then number 2 is 27, then 12, 38, 28, 6, 1, 29. Friends, these are most favorite number for O million draw lottery. These numbers are repeated many times in the 10 draws of O million lottery. And then second one is, friends, from 1 to 9, 3 numbers is not came yet. Number 1 is 4, then 7, and last one is 9. These 3 numbers is not came. From 10 to 19 only one number, that is 14. 20 to 29 is only one number, that is 20. From 30 to 39 also one number, that is 36. From 40 to 44 number has came in the draw. These are the numbers has good chances to come in this draw. Almost 3 to 4 numbers should come from here. You can select, make your any combination from these numbers and you can make your line. Friends, at the time of selection you should select your maximum numbers between 20 to 44. According to my research, minimum 5 numbers should come between 20 to 44 and 2 numbers from 1 to 19. You should select 4 even numbers and 3 odd numbers in your selection. So friends, these are my final prediction. 3 to 4 numbers from here you should select, and 3 to 4 numbers from here. These are the best numbers. I hope this prediction will help you in your selection. So good luck to all and wait for my next video, that is Mahzooz draw prediction and UK 49. Goodbye.